How to back up WhatsApp messages. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can back up your WhatsApp messages. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you want to do is simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the WhatsApp app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in WhatsApp. Go ahead and simply either download or update your WhatsApp app to the latest version. Once you've updated the WhatsApp app, what you want to do is to simply go over and open WhatsApp, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are actually logged into your account. So once you open up WhatsApp, you can see this is how it is going to look like. If you suddenly uninstall and then open the WhatsApp app, you might lose access to all of your messages. So in order to actually keep backup of your messages, you have to tap on the three dots on the top right. On Android phone, you have to actually back up to your Google account, which means your Google Drive account. So make sure you have your Google Drive account logged in. And for iOS users, what you just want to do is you have to actually make sure to back up to your iCloud. So in order to do that, we're going to basically go ahead and tap on settings. As you tap on settings, you'll be able to see a list of all these options. You simply have to go ahead and select chats. Once you select chats, again you'll be able to see all of this. If you look at the very bottom of the screen, you have this section which says chat backup. All you have to do is tap on chat backup, and you gotta simply tap on the backup button. Make sure you have actually added a Google account in order to first of all backup. You can also actually include videos if you want to in this backup. You could backup using cellular, you could choose your Google account to backup, you could backup using a time frame, so you can see never, daily, weekly or monthly, or whenever you want to actually backup your WhatsApp messages. It doesn't work like on Facebook and Instagram as if the chats are going to remain there forever. This is simply how it works in Facebook. You have to backup and restore them to gain access to your chats every single time. Hopefully this video gave you some insights. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.